हाय गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम है सीए अंजुल जैन और आज मैं हूं सौरभ टेकचंदानी के साथ। सौरभ, हाउ यू हैव बीन डूइंग?
Sir, I am doing good. How are you?
आई एम गुड सौरभ, आई एम गुड। सौरभ, you are a 96 percentiler in class 12th boards. You had 96 by 100 in class 12th accounts. Just tell us a bit about yourself.
So, born and brought up in Ajmer, and I did my schooling from Maheshwari Public School, Ajmer. I started pursuing Chartered Accountancy course, and presently I am in CA Inter.
Okay, very nice, Saurabh. Saurabh, you had 93 percentage in class 10th, as I know. After scoring 93 percentile in 93 percentage in class 10th, you chose commerce. There must have been thoughts of choosing science or humanities or anything else. So, what actually was the factor जिसकी वजह से आपने commerce choose किया after class 10th?
Sir, to be blatantly honest, I was so much attracted towards science biology. But sir, उस टाइम मैंने ये सोचा कि I should not think of only class 11th and 12th. I should think of long term. And then I realized that commerce has plethora of opportunities. मतलब यहाँ पर केवल एक चीज़ नहीं है कि मतलब this field is open for a certain college or a certain course. And then I landed up at commerce.
That's great. That's it. So, Saurabh, you were the head boy in class 12th, and I have seen you participating in so many activities as well when you were in class 12th. And generally, हमने देखा है कि parents or even the student himself or sometimes even the teachers say कि आपको उस activities में participate नहीं करना चाहिए, आपका class 12th board का examination है, you should be focused on your studies. But you were the head boy. You participated in many activities. What's your take on that? Is actually being a head boy costed you something, or it actually boosted or it motivated you to do better?
So when I was initially going for the interview of the head boy, even I had such similar thoughts, and many people around me said that it's class 12th and you have to manage many things and sort. But one thing was very clear in mind. I was not the first one doing that. People have done that. People have excelled in their life, doing multiple jobs, doing multiple things. But one success mantra I kept with myself was, I never allowed my academic life to interfere in my duties, and I never even allowed my duties to interfere in my academic life. No doubt, due to my duties, due to various inter-school competitions I participated, represented my school, I missed many classes. But first and foremost thing I did was I returned to class. I asked at what chapter was going and all. So in all, I kept a balance between my duties as well as academic life, and that's how I sailed my boat.
Okay, so I believe teachers must have also played a very important role when you were in school. Since teachers must have seen how sincere you have been. I have seen you. He has been very, very sincere in performing all his duties very diligently as a head boy. Plus, I have personally seen you growing in academics as well. So I believe the teachers at school must have been also very, very equally supportive in terms of either repeating the chapter or making you understand whenever you have missed classes. Am I correct, Saurabh?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, confessing one thing, I was blessed with the best teachers anybody could ever have. मतलब बहुत बार क्लासेस मिस हुई, बट जब भी इट इज स्कूल, भी इट इज आर ट्यूशन, स्कूल में भी जब मैं टीचर्स के पास गया, दे वर एट स्टेप्स टू एक्सप्लेन मी द चैप्टर वंस अगेन. ट्यूशन पर भी मेरी जब क्लासें मिस हुई, देवर अंजुल सर वॉज देयर, देवर अनदर ट्यूशन टीचर्स, जिन्होंने मतलब कभी भी ये नहीं बोला कि यू शुड गिव अप ऑन योर ड्यूटीज एंड जस्ट फोकस ऑन एकेडमिक्स.
True.
सो दैट्स हाउ आई मैनेज द थिंग्स.
True. People and teachers, I always say, I'm being a teacher, I can say कि if a student is sincere, teachers will always support. Very true. So, people should participate, be it curricular, be it sports, be it anything else. People should participate because as a student, I guess that's the only class, that's the only last year or 11th or 12th is the only last two classes which we have to actually grow. That helps a student grow, I believe.
So, academic life is very important. I'm not denying that fact. But mere academic life is not good. Because you can go in any field. Now they are not demanding keval marks. They want a person with overall development. They want a person having holistic approach. And these activities, these duties are preparing you for that. So go
Very
ahead.
true. Very, very true. So Saurabh, apart from being a head boy, you have actually done very well in academics as well. As I said earlier, you were a 96 percentiler in class 12th and 96 on 100 in class 12th accounts, class 12 boards in accountancy. So any particular number of hours you think are required, are mandatory required every day to score good in class 12 boards or any other examination for say?
So basically there is a myth that you should study for 12 to 16 hours of sort. You can imagine any number and quote that. But in my case, I never counted number of hours I studied, and I'm still not counting. I decided topics like I want to complete these two chapters, these two, you know, topics or sort, and I used to complete that. अब वो चाहे 1 घंटे में हो जाए तो that's okay, I increase my target. और वो एक दिन में नहीं होते तो ठीक है, I used to take my feedback, my report that why I was not able to complete, but I never went to hours, and I suggest that one should never go for hours.
Okay, so instead of counting the number of hours, we should be counting the topics or the target which we have actually set it for ourselves.
Absolutely.
Great, great. Saurabh, you had a good percentage in class 12th, and I believe just like every other commerce student, you must have also been fascinated with colleges, getting into Delhi University, going to Mumbai for Mumbai University or any other college. So, was it that the same in your case as well?
So
At least at least in the very starting when we started with class 12.
yes, sir. Sir, actually, colleges are so much fascinating, too attractive. You see college life in Bollywood movies, and that's a very, very expected attraction you could ever have. So even I had that attraction. I was aiming for some colleges, but I never, I made that colleges, those attractions as my motivation. There are still posters of colleges in my room, and though I'm not interested in going to them either, but they acted as my motivation during my preparation phase, and that's all.
Okay, so college life is important, fascinating, not might be as shown in Bollywood movies, but yeah, we had that plan. But instead of that, you pursued CA. You are currently pursuing CA. So, any particular reason of not getting into that fascinating Bollywood life type of life college style, or pursuing CA jahan pe you have to do hard work? Any particular reason for that shift of attitude from fun-filled college life, as shown in Bollywood movies, to a bit depressing, as said by some people, a chartered accountant's life, a chartered accountant student's life, rather, a CA student life?
So initially I was so fascinated, but जब वो time आया when I actually had to select कि मेरे को कौन से college जाना है, what I have to do, तो एट दैट टाइम जब मैंने चीज़ों को एनालाइज करना सीखा, इंस्टेड ऑफ कि मेरे को 3 साल जाकर वहाँ पे मज़े करने हैं, फ्रेंड्स बनाने हैं या कुछ भी करना है, मैंने वो सब जब चीज़ देखी और उसकी जब वो देखा कि उसके बाद मुझे क्या करना है, तो आई रियलाइज्ड कि ठीक है, वो आपकी काफ़ी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को, कॉलेज काफ़ी एक्टिविटीज़ को, स्किल्स को होन करता है, लेकिन जो एक रिक्विजिट आजकल कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ, कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड एक स्किल्स मांगता है, एक हार्डवर्क मांगता है, एक पर्टिकुलर क्राइटेरिया मांगता है, शायद कहीं बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस वो फुलफिल नहीं कर पाते. बट था कहीं कहीं मतलब कि मैं कॉलेज लाइफ मिस कर रहा हूँ या क्या, बट देन आई मेड अ बैलेंस कि अभी जो ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ईयर्स ऑफ माई लाइफ है, जहाँ पर एक बेस बनना ज़रूरी है कि आई शुड बी समवन आफ्टर 5 years, तो उसके लिए आई चोज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई इवन गो फॉर MBAs. अगर मुझे उस टाइम भी कॉलेज लाइफ का रहता है तो उसके बाद भी मैं MBA कर सकता हूँ, एंड आई एम हैज़ अ वेरी गुड लाइफ.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So people who are doing CA need not be depressed about the life or need not to compare their life with their peers who are in college. You can always have that college life after becoming chartered accountant. You can have a better college life with CA plus MBA or any other sort of. So nothing to be disappointed. You are doing a great job if you are into CA. Well said, yeah, Saurabh. So, Saurabh, since you are pursuing CA, even in class 12th, at the time of January, February when we are having pre-boards. So you must have also felt as student generally feels कि यार कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. There are too many things to cover and I have not covered anything, especially with good students who have actually focused their time in studies. तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा होता है कि हम demotivated feel कर रहे हैं, कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है. Was that with you as well? And if yes, then what was the strategy? How you actually overcome that phase?
So there were many times I faced such a situation. But sir, उस time मतलब I have seen people बहुत ज़्यादा panic करते हुए they compromise with their health और मतलब सब कुछ cover करने के लिए जाते हैं. But at that time what I did was like कोई exam है मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं cover हो पाएगा and things are falling in my life. तो instead of panicking what I did I started doing at the moment. उस moment पे ही कुछ भी पढ़ा लेकिन पढ़ा और धीरे धीरे things improved और फिर ऐसा when I turned back and saw तो लगता है कि I was right at that time.
Okay. So how important family is in those times actually? How important family is? How important family support is? You are currently pursuing CA as well. So how important you think you are currently in CA enter? How important family is? A mother's guidance is? A mother's touch is basically.
सर क्लास 12 तक तो मतलब स्टूडेंट्स जनरली ऑप्शन नहीं होता फैमिली के साथ रहना पड़ता है एंड बहुत तब लगता है कि आई विल गो आउट आई विल एंजॉय माई लाइफ आई विल मेक फ्रेंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेट्स और ठीक है वो लगता है 12 तक तो ठीक है कोई ऑप्शन नहीं होता उसके बाद
Okay. So just cutting you in between. Mark the words. People option नहीं होता है, रहना पड़ता है. Okay. तो ठीक है सौरभ.
हाँ नहीं बट आई विल प्रूव माई पॉइंट व्हाट आई वांट टू से आगे फिर व्हेन यू लाइक सीए वगैरह में जाते हैं तब यू हैव ऑप्शंस कि यू अर्ज योर पेरेंट्स दैट प्लीज अलाउ अस टू गो ऑन अ वेरी पर्सनल नोट इवन आई डिड दैट आई वेंट टू जयपुर फॉर सम कोचिंग ऑफ सॉर्ट फॉर सी इंटर आई वेंट देयर फॉर 2 months एंड अब 2 महीने वापस हो चुके हैं मुझे रिटर्न करे व्हेन आई नो that was I must say that was a nightmare for me. It was not मतलब ठीक है बोलते हैं कि you should step out of a comfort zone and work beyond that, but you need some sort of comfort zone. You need something to study. अगर जहाँ पर कोर स्टडी एरियाज हैं जहाँ पर कोर स्टडी करनी है वहाँ पर अगर आप ऐसी चीज़ों पे ध्यान दोगे स्टडीज़ के अलावा लाइक योर लिविंग योर इमोशनल बैगेज एंड सॉर्ट तब चीज़ें मतलब दे गो वर्स. सो इट्स नाउ बीइंग 2 months मैं अजमेर आ चुका हूँ एंड आई रियलाइज कि आई हैव स्टडीड मच मोर जितना मैंने उन 2 महीने जब मैं अजमेर से बाहर था तब पढ़ा था. सो येस फैमिली सपोर्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Okay. So people remember your family is the biggest support. हाँ शायद हम जब हैं क्लास 12th में हैं या हम फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर के अंदर हैं तो वी टेंड टू फील कि ये बंदिशें हट जानी चाहिए ये पाबंदियाँ हट जानी चाहिए बट somehow we realize कि these restrictions are for our own good for our own development. Correct सौरभ?
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट सर.
तो ठीक है पापा अगर मना कर रहे हैं कोई काम करने के लिए या मम्मी ने आज डांट लगाई है तो टेक इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे कहीं ना कहीं वो बहुत हेल्प करता है. ट्रू आई कंप्लीटली अग्री टिल डेट फॉर दैट पॉइंट. सौरभ in your complete class 11th class 12th then CA foundation now CA enter how important you think is to have a mentor or a teacher who keep pushing you towards your goal who keep motivating you? How important is to be close to that mentor or the teacher so that he can just keep pushing you?
Sir, connecting to your previous questions where you asked that कैसे times होते हैं when you feel like everything is falling in your life and sort. सर इस टाइम पे एक मेंटोर की भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है बिकॉज यू नो हाउ टू डू बट द वे ऑफ डूइंग लाइक किस चीज़ को पहले करना है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट नाइव लाइक अस दे हैव डन थिंग्स बिफोर सो दे आर द बेस्ट गाइड anybody could ever have. Like I was blessed with the best mentors, Sir Anjul. Even I have the best school teachers who, at any time they didn't left me alone. So मेरी लाइफ में तो बहुत important role था teachers का.
And we fortunately share the same school teachers as well till date. So yes, I have been blessed. He has been blessed, and thanks to all the MPS
Teachers.
school teachers, they have been wonderful. I totally agree. So teachers have a certain role, family have a certain role. Coming to friends, how important it is to have a good friend circle around us.
My take on friends is काफी common, like quality over quantity. You should not run behind. You should have a plethora of friends. कि जब आप खड़े हो, you should have a group. नहीं, you should have 4 or 5 friends. लेकिन वो ऐसे होने चाहिए कि मतलब they can help you in any way and you can share with them anything. क्योंकि until unless you are carrying a emotional baggage, you are carrying something in your head, you can't study. So you need someone to talk, someone to share, and इस matter में भी I am blessed with best friends.
Correct. So not having too many, but few who can support you through your thin and thicks. Great, absolutely. So Saurabh, when you were in class 12th, you must have seen students saying, your friends saying कि यार ये बुक भी कर लेनी है, वो बुक भी कर लेनी है, इसके नोट्स भी ले लेने हैं, उसके नोट्स भी ले लेने हैं, मैंने ये कर लिया, मैंने वो कर लिया. How you think कि एक बुक करनी है, 2 बुक करनी है, 4 बुक करनी है, या एक ही बुक is more than sufficient? What do you say that? What are?
So there were people जो सामने इतनी सारी refresher लेके आते थे. They were like, I am doing this, I am doing that. So with experience, I am an experience holder of class 11th and 12th. I did one book. मतलब not one book, एक author की book करी, एक ही author की book करी, but उसको multiple time revise किया.
One subject, one author.
One subject, one author. And लेकिन उसको religiously किया, like उसके सारे illustrations, questions, examples, theory, everything. That's all.
Okay, so doing one book, one subject is more than sufficient. For your revision, you can do it multiple times.
Multiple times.
Okay, great. Social media nowadays have been a boon and a bane, I must say. Some people call it, and we have seen it in recent times that it has acted as a blessing where we were not able to actually reach out to people. Social media was a blessing, but at the same time, as a student, as a student's life, it can act as a bane as well. So how you manage your social media, matlab, how you manage your time? You are on social media, as I know, so you have been on social media and you have been doing Instagram and WhatsApp and everything you have. So how you manage that social media wala life along with your studies, Abhi?
Sir, social media can be distracting sometimes, can be helping sometimes, but एक perfect time होता है चीज़ का. In my case, जब when I मतलब like social media जब अभी we use in normal days, we keep on scrolling and end up like with a guilt कि it was not a productive day.
मतलब 2 घंटा निकल गया, 3 घंटा निकल गया, पता ही नहीं पड़ा.
Exactly. And when I talk about कि social media पे आजकल बहुत सारे study materials and all that, and that's good. You can get books of many authors, but sticking to my point, ठीक है, what books are provided by your teachers, by your mentors, that's sufficient. You don't need to run behind every book you get on social media. So that's all. And on my take, what I did during my preparation day, and I'm still doing, कि I use social media. I don't switch off or deactivate my account for number of months or like. But what I did, like I use social media when I know that I want to study. I want no disturbance either from calls or from social media. I straight away switch off my phone, keep it in cupboard. I complete my studies. I complete my target, and then at night I switch it on, use it. And that's how I manage.
Okay, so basically managing, when you are doing social media, you are just doing social media, and when you're studying, say no to social media and keep that mobile phone in the drawer, which is very important. सामने भी नहीं रखना जरूरी है, नहीं तो बार-बार शायद अपन उसको on off notification correct वो आता ही रहता. Great. People, do make a note. Social media जरूरी है, पर सिर्फ social media करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला, तो थोड़ा सा set aside करना रहेगा life के अंदर social media को. And giving time to academics and other things as well. Okay, so Saurabh, you have been an ASI student for like around 2.5 years. So, any particular memory you cherish for being over here?
So, when we are in this global pandemic, I really miss those days जब रोज शाम को 5 to 6. I really enjoyed those days. क्योंकि एक तो मतलब 11-12 सी फाउंडेशन में वी वर नेवर लाइक कि इतने आवर्स की कोचिंग, लिमिटेड टाइम की कोचिंग, लेकिन वो क्वालिटी कोचिंग, एंड वो हर दिन आई मिस. एंड देयर वर मोमेंट्स लाइक टीचर्स डे व्हेन वी go beyond our limits and just enjoy. Those were the
Okay.
memories I still, want to relive once again.
Surely. So, any particular person you feel inspired of, that you, who person who actually motivated, that can be any celeb or anyone in a house, anyone who actually inspired you to do what you have been doing, and how
As
important as well is to have someone who can inspire you at the same time.
self motivation is important, but you need someone to get that self motivation, क्योंकि self motivation self generate करना थोड़ा सा कभी कभी मुश्किल हो जाता है.
True.
So in similar ways, I believe in dreaming big. So from childhood itself, I started watching interviews of people longing for IIMs, people giving UPSC and sort, people pursuing chartered accountancy course, giving interviews in firms and sort. So they inspire me a lot, like listening to how knowledgeable they are, how confident they are in speaking, attracts me a lot. And secondly, mentioning, confessing, whatever you can say, Anjul sir is one of my biggest motivation, because I connect with Anjul sir a lot. Coming from same school with same characteristics, like participating in every activity possible, good in public speaking, holding positions in school, moreover, on a funny note, not very good in maths. Trying our best. Anjul sir is very good in swaying people through his, communication skills. So I connect with Anjul sir a lot, and to be very honest, he's a very good position today. And I have a longing that I should reach where he is. So that's all.
You will. Thank you so much for the kind words, and you will definitely reach to great heights. Don't worry. Saurabh, any particular piece of advice for the current class 11, 12 or CA foundation students, how they should be motivated, since these are very difficult times. These are actually very difficult times. So how you think the student should be motivated, and what strategy or anything which you want to share with the current generation of students?
I would rather call it as success mantra, or a thing which worked for me. Confidence is the best accessory. You need to wear it. Like, if you are having confidence, you can ace anything. Like, you can forget your pen in exam, you can forget even the whole damn pencil box in exam, your friend can give you. But inner confidence, nobody can lend you that. So you need to carry the confidence. जरूरी नहीं you run behind covering all the chapters. ठीक है, कभी नहीं possible हो पाता कि सारे chapters cover करें and sort. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मैंने 10 में से 7 chapters किए हैं, 6 chapters किए हैं, तो I should be damn confident कि हाँ मुझे आता है. क्योंकि when it comes to professional life like CA and like CA, CS sort, in CA Inter, CA Foundation, you have ample of course. That's endless C. So बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ज़्यादा जब नहीं कवर हो पाता है सारा. लेकिन अगर कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मैंने जो किया है, आई हैव डन माई बेस्ट, आई नो हाउ टू डू थिंग्स, देन you will surely ace in exams. That's the best tip I can.
Wonderful advice. Confidence is the best accessory which you can actually wear, and you will carry that through your lifetime. Particularly, I also agree to the fact when it is particularly you are a CS student, so confidence is the necessary to success, to score good, to pass, to get a rank, having that belief. So that confidence is the key to the success. Make sure you are confident enough. Saurabh, it was really great to have you today at Topper's Talk. It was a wonderful experience getting one-on-one on such another note. People, it's me, your host, C. Anjul Jain, signing off for today. We'll see you in another round of interview series with another student sharing his success journey with us. Till then, stay tuned, subscribe to ASI Ajmer channel, press the bell icon, share this with your friends, and keep yourself motivated, shine with confidence, as said by Saurabh Tekchandani. See you people another time. Till then, tata bye bye. Take care.